Yusek Bernardo tried to confer with his counsel. The counsel approached him, and then before anything else, he also went to PG Padulyon. Why is that, Mr. Chair?
Kasi he's already admitted sa WPP, and doon sa kanilang existing na rules, under the rules, kailangan bago sumagot, baka maka-apekto sa kanyang pagka-admit, kailangan talaga may clearance sa DOJ. Pero yun ang kanilang...
Bakit kinakailangan nyo siyang padalan dito pagkatapos marirestrict din pala? This is an open investigation. Sana walang ganon. Kasi nangyari na sa amin yon when the former DOJ was here, habang nag-uusap-usap kami rito, habang nagtatanong-tanong kami, kukunin niya yung isang witness namin o isang resource person, dadalhin sa NBI. Pagdating sa NBI, meron ng supplemental affidavit. Naguguluhan kami sa ganung pangyayari. This is supposed to be an independent committee under the legislature. The DOJ is an executive department.
If that is considered a restriction in investigations like this, then maybe the law will have to be amended first.
In the meantime, constrained kayo ng batas.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are
Thank you.
constrained by law.
Thank you, PG.
Mr. Chair, kasi yung interpretation niya ang palaging mali eh. Yung confidentiality dyan na pinag-uusapan, sa inyo lang yun, sa witness protection ninyo dyan. Pero pagdating dito, it does not apply.
With all due respect to Senator Marcoleta saying that our interpretation is always wrong, we are not raising this, like I said, simply because we want to constrict the investigation. The law does not make a distinction.
So if the law does not provide any distinction, bakit nga kailangan ka pang mag-confer sa ano? Bakit kailangan ka pang puntahan? Ikaw na nagsasabi ng walang distinction eh, di ba? So kung nandito siya, let him speak. Na hindi na dapat pupunta, pati yung counsel niya, yun lang, mali na eh. Meron siyang sariling counsel, pagkatapos pupunta pa siya sa'yo. It is an insult to his own personal counsel. Kaya magulo talaga eh. Hindi tayo magkakasundo.
Mr. Chair, if
I'm not asking any questions anymore.
No, I'm just raising the question to the chairman,
Thank you, Mr. Chair. You cannot do that.
Thank you. Are we done?
Another day, another pasiatan sa Pilipinas mga bossing. Anong masasabi natin? Comment down below and please share.
I'm sick and tired of this dirty war politics.